Now, the official Suncoast weather with ABC7 meteorologist John Scalzi.
Air temperature at 74. It's pleasant outside. We have a dew point value. Check it out. At 71, down another 2 degrees. Feels pretty comfortable out there. Some of the drier air aloft is filtering down to the surface. Calm winds currently. And we have 73 degrees in Mayaca, Arcadia. Wauchula's at 74. So is Parrish and Bradenton. Lakewood Ranch at 75. Northport at 75. Punta Gorda comes in at 75. 76 degrees in Inglewood and in Venice, and 77 at Longboat Key. So a nice start to the day. Emily, now off the Florida coastline, continues to move in a direction that takes it out into the open Atlantic. No problems for anyone. It will eventually just fade out in the cooler waters of the Labrador Current. As far as our conditions go, some drier air has wrapped around the backside of Emily, and that's going to provide us with more sunshine today. We still have old boundaries left over that are producing a few scattered showers, especially down around the Fort Myers region, but not a whole lot of activity, and those will be in the process of continuing to decay away, I think. I'll put in about a 10%, that's it, chance for a brief sprinkle, mostly in Charlotte County this morning. Otherwise, you know, we might pick up about a 30% chance of a late afternoon shower or two. But I think we'll see a whole lot more sunshine around today than we certainly saw yesterday. And in fact, that'll be the case, I think, for part of tomorrow as well. The rainfall amounts over the course of the last 24 hours, in fact, over the last 48 hours, have been pretty impressive. I got some 6-inch unconfirmed reports of rainfall in parts of Manatee County. 5.5 recorded by Doppler radar. 4-inch rainfalls are pretty widespread in pockets. And we have most places getting at least 1 inch to 1.5 inches of rainfall. So that has brought our year-to-date total up to about 1/2 inch below average, which is pretty much average. And as far as the rainy season goes, which we consider to be the start of the hurricane season, or June 1st, basically, it's the start of our rainy season, we're way above average. So we're looking good. Not much of a fire danger problem because of soil moisture anyway, at least not now. As far as the forecast for thunderstorms today goes, deep south looks great. Atlanta Airport, Raleigh, Durham, Charlotte, all look fine. No worries there. Maybe an isolated thunderstorm today. That's really about it. This tan color that you see on water vapor imagery, drier air at upper and mid levels, and it has filtered in back behind the departing Emily, kind of wrapped behind the circulation. And that's, well, it's done a couple of things. One, it's really hurt Emily's structure. And two, it's going to provide us with all the sunshine that I was talking about today. A lot of that around. Plus, some of that drier air filtered down to the surface has provided us with some pretty nice conditions out there this morning. We have a surface wind as well that has been kind of consistently out of the northeast. That surface wind out of the northeast drawing down that drier air is going to switch today to become a more southwesterly wind flow as we head into the later part of the afternoon, and then into the overnight it'll be sustained. So tomorrow, a little more humidity around and a little bit of a better rain chance. We'll put the rain chance at about 50% tomorrow. So dry air moves in. We'll watch those winds shift late in the day, and then we'll have better rain chances as we head into tomorrow. The RPM computer model forecast shows 1 or 2 showers popping up today along the sea breeze front, and then much better chances of rainfall. I think tomorrow as we head into Wednesday we'll have a lot better coverage, probably about 50%. Again, riding on a southwesterly wind flow, most of those rain showers will be inland and toward the other coast. Forecast looks like this for today. Lots of sunshine, temperatures rising into the 90s. We'll have a 30% chance of a sprinkle or two, mostly inland in the afternoon. Tomorrow, sunshine as well, a few more clouds around, higher humidity, and a better chance of rainfall. And then as we head into the next several days, we're kind of starting to get back into a pattern that's typical for this time of year. Late afternoon showers and thunderstorms. Back to you.